Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install TaxJar to handle sales tax Nexus research detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Visit the TaxJar website at www.taxjar.com. Click on the Get Started or Sign Up button. Fill in the required information to create your account. Verify your email address by following the link sent to your inbox. Log into your TaxJar account with your new credentials. Navigate to the dashboard to explore the available tools. Locate the section for Sales Tax Research or Nexus. Click on Nexus to access the research features. Review the information provided about Sales Tax Nexus. Input your business location if prompted. Explore the various states to determine where you may have Nexus. Utilize the map feature to visualize Nexus states. Check for specific rules and rates in each state. Take notes on any relevant requirements for your business. If needed, consult TaxJar's help resources for additional guidance. Consider integrating TaxJar with your existing e-commerce platform. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the integration process. Enable automatic sales tax calculations in your settings. Run a test transaction to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Regularly review your Nexus status as your business grows. Stay informed about sales tax laws to maintain compliance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.